Friends, are you planning to build renovate your home? Today let's explore the different types of door designs in India, along with their prices, futures and best for daily use. So friends, the flush doors is one of the most common used doors in Indian homes. They're simple, affordable and easy to maintain. These are best for bedrooms, bathrooms, offices. The price in India starting at only 2000 rupees to 12,000 rupees. These are budget friendly and smooth finish. Only one con is the limited designs and options available. And second one is the wooden panel doors. These are classic and wooden panel doors. These doors given to their traditional and premium look. They are strong, durable and perfect for main entrances. These are best for main doors and bedrooms. And the price in India starting at 8,000 rupees to going up to 25,000 rupees. These are best and elegant look for long life, and cons is the only need to the little bit maintenance. And another one doors, solid wood doors or teak or hardwood. The solid wood doors are known for strength, security and luxury. Teak wood doors are especially popular in India. These are best for main entrances. The price in India is starting at 20,000 rupees to going up to 60,000 or plus, because it depends on the wood. The prawn is the only high durability and premium finish, and only one con is it's much more expensive. And UPVC door designs. These UPVC doors are waterproof, termite proof and low maintenance, making them ideal for modern homes. These are best for balconies, bathrooms, kitchens. The price in India starting at 4,000 rupees to going up to the 20,000 rupees. These are best for weather resistant and affordable. One con is that it's available in only limited color options. Glass door designs. These glass doors enhance the natural light. These are give to the modern and open feel to your house. Best for balconies or living room partitions. The price in India 8,000 rupees to going up to 30,000 rupees. These are stylish and bright interiors. One con is the less privacy. And sliding door designs. The sliding wooden doors is perfect for space saving and modern interiors. Best for wardrobes, balcony rooms, and partitions. The price in India 7,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. Prone is a save the space and modern look, and one con is the check of maintenance required. So, friends, PVC door designs. These are lightweight and water resistant, commonly used in bathrooms. These are best for bathrooms and utility areas. The price in India standing at 1,500 rupees to going up to the 7,000 rupees. Its pros is low cost and waterproof. Only